What's up, everybody? This is Giovanni from the Option Trading Channel. Today's video, it's a recap, and I absolutely hate with a passion doing trade recaps. I absolutely hate it when other YouTubers, other traders do it, and they don't actually show you their actual trade because most of the time they could be edited and they don't back it up. And so, with that in mind, knowing that I didn't actually record it live while I was actually trading, I'm going to also show you the actual tabs within Jade that actually keeps up with my trade history is what I'm trying to say. So I hope that my credibility here stays intact and you really understand that I'm trying to show you all of my trades, good or bad. So let's get to it. We're looking at the NQ. I traded MNQ, the micros, but what we're looking here is Nasdaq NQ. The daily chart is on the right. The 4-hour chart is on the left. I'll be switching these up so that I don't, switch the sharing screens and whatnot. So let's get right down to it. I really loved the 4-hour chart here for today's trade. Now, if we look at it, we want to make note of the SIBI that we were in. If you look at it right here, again, I really want to show you exactly the premise of the actual trade. So this right here was very important because we were trading in it this morning. I saw relative equal highs, which included Asian and London highs. So that's very important. And coupled with the 4-hour SIBI that we were in. Noticed on the 1 hour, I'm going to switch the 4-hour to a 1 hour. Keep my drawings in there. And there it is. This wick right here was the indicator. It was the indicator for the potential of a trade setup. I didn't know what I was going to trade, whether up or down. I didn't know until I let price show me. And as soon as the price started reacting, you can really see the wick on the 1 hour here. And that's whenever I went to, I'll move this here. I went down to the 1 minute chart. And I started looking for my entry model. This was the wick in the higher time frames. And then it reacted, came back into the 4-hour. Now, of course, that wasn't the case when I got in. However, I knew the reaction. The reaction was really important. We were in a SIBI. We were relative equal highs were taken. And that was the reaction. We had a SIBI here. I didn't get in. We had a SIBI here. I actually got in on some of my accounts down below here. On my 20 Apex accounts, funded accounts, I got in pretty much at the high. I'll try to show you that trade. And again, I'm going to show you my trade history. Very important for me. And I only took, my expectation was this low here. I got scared out of it. There's no two ways about it. I'm not going to sit here and lie to you guys. I got scared out of this trade. I wasn't expecting a whole lot because we got CPI, PPI this week. I thought the markets were going to be really sideways today, and well, I was proven wrong, thankfully. And so I was really thankful and grateful for this trade to begin with. So I only ended up making 30 points from here to here. Now let's go to the actual Trade account, and I'm glad that it still shows my actual trade in there. I really love that, and I was trying to capture the wins, the actual dollar amount win, and again, I'll show you that. What you're looking at right now is my Top Step 2 accounts. I only have 2 funded accounts with Top Step here, and this is the trade here. I don't know if you can see that, but my short, I entered 23,778 even, and I took it down to 23,754.50. And let me show you the 20 Apex funded accounts. I took this trade here. I was in the middle of a phone call while I made this trade at my day job with a client, and I wasn't watching exactly what I was doing, and so I actually got out of it, and then I got back in it. I was looking at it, I was like, gosh, that might reverse. And so I'll take that risk from here. My stop loss was just right here. It was just 7-8 points. I was willing to take that risk. And it went down. Let me show you the actual trade history. We're just going to go to any one of these. These are all funded accounts. And let's go to my report. Let's go to today. This was a trade right here. See, I made the trade, guys. This was it. On this particular account, I got short. It's not going to actually show the. Oh, yeah, here it is. Absolutely. I shorted at 787, got out at 758. This was that break even one. I shorted at 784. I made 3/4 of a point, not a big whoop. But this is my actual trade. I can actually go to any of my other accounts. Let's go to my combine that I am currently trying to pass. I'm up a little over $2,000. Oh, come on. Let me go back. This might be a faster way of doing it. Report, today, go. There it is. Perfect. There was a trade. I made $1,100 on this combine. It's just a combine. I don't know why I'm actually trading that combine. I already have 20 accounts, the max that you can have with Apex. But it's so cheap that I want to pass it and have it in queue. So in case I want to switch one of the smaller accounts to a larger account, well, I'll have it there. That's pretty much it in a nutshell. I went through why I traded to the short side. And what I didn't tell you, however, is that I was really going for this liquidity here, and again, I just got scared out of it. But thank you guys, everybody, for watching. I greatly appreciate your time. Hit that like, hit that subscribe button down below. You don't want to miss any videos that I come out with. And see you guys here on the very next trading video, hoping it's a green trade. See you guys later.